To connect Instagram to your DPO store, click Instagram feed from the sidebar. Now click the Connect an Instagram account. Select Personal if you have a personal account or Business if you have a business account. Personal accounts are used for displaying user feeds from a personal Instagram account. Business accounts are used for displaying a user feed from a business or a creator Instagram account. A business creator account is required for displaying automatic avatar or bio display in the header. You can see this link for more. In this case, I'm going to select Personal. If you have a business account, it will redirect to Facebook and you will follow the prompts. And if you click Personal, it will redirect straight to Instagram and you will also follow the prompts. In this case, I'm going to say Allow. And then connect this account. Then click Save Changes. Now proceed to customize. In this case, I'm selecting 6 photos and 6 columns so that my columns will display horizontally with 1 image per line. There are various options here, but a common option is to show or hide the feed header, which will have your avatar and your link, and to also customize the colors. In this case, I've selected an orange color for my main button background and white for the text. I've also said follow us on Instagram. After making your required changes, click Save Changes. Now head on over to your store and add your shortcode. You can get your shortcode from Configure. Scroll down and copy the shortcode from the section Display Your Feed. If you have DPO Designer privileges, scroll down and copy Instagram feed from the shortcode section. If you do not have DPO Designer privileges, contact the DPO Store support team and ask them to add your Instagram feed to your footer. If you do have DPO Designer privileges, follow along. Navigate to the page where you would like your feed to appear. Click Enable Visual Builder. Scroll down, click the Add button, add a code module, and paste your shortcode. You can now exit the Visual Builder. That looks amazing.